Well, you want to download the previous income tax returns that you have filed, or have to send somebody an acknowledgement of the previous income tax return, but don't know how to download from the new income tax portal because now the data is not available at the old income tax portal and you didn't have saved the document earlier. Well, in today's episode, we will share with you the entire process step by step. So without further ado, let's begin. Hey there, I'm Sonia Dawar, Chartered Accountant and Business Finance Coach, and on this channel, we share with you all the tips, tools and resources that you need to start and grow your profitable business, save lakhs of rupees on taxes and build massive wealth. And in today's episode, we will share with you how you can download your previous filed income tax return from the new income tax portal, or how you can download the acknowledgement of the previous income tax returns that you have filed but you want to download from the new income tax portal. So without further ado, let's get on to my system and begin the tutorial. In order to download previous year's income tax return or acknowledgement of previous year's ITR that you have filed, you need to go to income tax portal, incometax.gov.in. So I have opened this website on my Google Chrome browser. You can use any other browser. The link to this website is given in the description. Once you come at the income tax new portal, you need to go to login, which is at the top right corner of this website. So click on login. Now you have to enter your user ID password which you were using at the previous income tax portal. So your user ID and password remains the same. I'm going ahead and updating my user ID and clicking on continue. Once you press continue, it will take you to another page where you will need to click on the secure access message and then enter your password. After entering your password, you have to again press continue. After you press continue, you will be welcomed to the e-filing portal and you will be asked if you want to update your profile. Click on skip. Now you are at your income tax dashboard. To download your previous income tax returns, go to e-file from the top menu, then go to income tax returns, and then choose the second option, view filed returns. At this page, you will see all the income tax returns that you have filed, and on the right hand side you will see there are three buttons. The first button is not active, where you can download your income tax return. However, you can download your acknowledgement for the income tax return. Maybe by the time you are watching this video, this button also will get activated, as the income tax department is still working at the back end to make this portal work at its full pace. So you need to click on the first button to download the income tax form that you have filed, and the second button which says download receipt to download the ITR acknowledgement that you have filed, which we call it as itr-v file. I'll click on download receipt. Now I have this itr-v. I hope this video is helpful, and you can watch our entire playlist in this series where we have given small tutorials on how to navigate at income tax portal. I'll see you the next time in another video. Bye bye.